Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to delete a Google service that you do not use. Open your favorite browser. Go to accounts.google.com. In the left sidebar, click on Data Privacy. Scroll down. Under Download or Delete Your Data section, click on Delete a Google service. You may need to log in again to continue. Here you can see the list of all Google services that you use. If you want to delete a service, just click the trash icon next to it. You may need to log in again to continue. Click on the drop-down arrow that says, I want to permanently delete my content. Select the checkboxes and click on Delete my content. That's it. All the content on that service will be permanently deleted. This is how you can delete a Google service that you do not use. Thank you for watching.